So it says create a variable called data array index. Don't forget to declare that const because it's a variable. Data are index and set its value using the find index method on task data interpolated with find index. Okay, it says pass item as the parameter for the arrow callback function. Oops, we can't do that, but instead we can do that by writing another parenthesis and calling it inside that parenthesis and within that parenthesis as the item, and it mentioned for an arrow callback function, so we should use that, which implicitly return the ID of an item. So first we have to call the item first before interpolating the ID, which is set to be equal to the ID of the parent element of button L, as it says. So write the button L, then the parent element, then interpolate the ID. I think we don't need the curly bracket because it's within a function that will implicitly return by executing this line, so we can't do that.